We have visitors who came from the ministry quarters, the Ministry of Information, Communication and Digital Economy, together with the officials from the Communication Authority under that ministry. So they had come here to have a meeting with the county commissioner, together with the deputy county commissioners, assistant county commissioners, the chiefs and ward administrators of the areas that they are running the programs of putting up posters. So today we have had a meeting in the office and we have drawn a program whereby they'll visit various sites in the county where they'll have community engagements with the beneficiaries of this program, and later on they'll be able to go back to Nairobi and do their work, make their action plans.
The Communications Authority carried out a survey in 2015-2016 to identify areas where there were gaps in communication. That is essentially areas where the licensed commercial service providers find it difficult to invest on the necessary base transmitter stations, either due to consideration like the population is very low, the return on investment is not attractive to the company, or because of security considerations, and even because it can be too expensive, sometimes because of terrain and road network. And therefore, those citizens, the government must ensure they are reached.